Today, I wanted to show you a little side project I've been working on for the countdown timer. Some time ago, I thought it would be useful to broadcast the time remaining over the network rather than waiting for a connection to be established as with Companion. So the timer has constantly broadcast the time remaining over the network for quite a few versions. I don't know of anyone who has made use of this feature yet, so I thought I would give it a go and decided to build a remote countdown display. Here I've used a large 7-segment display from Adafruit and hooked it up to a microcontroller board with Ethernet. The board also supports PoE, which is ideal as it means only one cable is required. The coding is written in C++ on the Arduino IDE. When we power on the remote, it comes online very quickly, cycling through the display and showing an ID as it initializes. No network configuration of the remote is required. It will just work. Here we've instantly picked up the broadcast from the Countdown Timer app, which is also set to the same ID. Support for this ID feature will be available from version 2093. With only 4 digits available, the remote will display up to 99 minutes and 59 seconds, and any duration over that will be displayed as just hours and minutes. If the remote detects something is not right, it uses the display to keep us informed. If no packets are being received with a matching ID, the remote will just display 4 dashes. If no network connection can be established, CON for connection will appear in the display. Pressing the menu button will enter a configuration mode displaying the ID, and subsequent button presses will cycle through the ID values. The ID is stored permanently on the remote. This permits multiple independent systems on the same network. There is no practical limit to how many remotes can be used simultaneously. Looking at the cost of the project, the parts came to about £40, so even adding an enclosure and perhaps a red tinted window to improve the display contrast, it's a very modest solution compared to some existing products. I hope you've enjoyed this demo, and thanks for watching.